Hi folks, Terry Brown back with you with another video today. I want to thank you so much for stopping by. Going to be real short in this video. Another piece that I found going through my websites, and this is absolutely a beautiful 925 sterling silver ring, and I think it is worth the look. It is so pretty. Okay, again, it's 925 sterling silver. The gemstones, okay, there are actually 4 of them. It's the Aquamarine, Amethyst, Peridot, and blue Topaz. Okay, and the total weight of this piece is 7.2 grams, and this particular ring size is 7.25. Okay, the main gemstone head size is 13 by 12 millimeters, and of course it's uniquely crafted, and we're actually looking at the actual item in the photo here. Okay, the silver is cadmium and nickel free. Okay, and this piece is made from the finest quality silver and hand-picked gemstones, and each hand polished, finished to the highest shine possible. What a gorgeous piece of jewelry. And so I'm just going to show you a quick close-up, and man, isn't that something? All right, let's take a look. Okay, real quick look, close up at this beautiful piece, and aren't those stones just simply beautiful, sparkly? Yeah, I think they say what they want to say, right? Absolutely. And so here's another angle, another look at this piece close up. And from this angle as well. All right. I am going to leave the link where you can access this piece. You'll find it. You'll be able to go to my programs page and go directly to this website. Look for 925 jewelry. Okay, and you'll be able to click on that link and go directly to the website. Check things out for yourself. We've got all kinds of beautiful stuff, and this is a signature piece under the rings. Okay, and there you have it, guys. All right, I'm Terry Brown, wishing you a blessed and wonderful day today. Bye bye now.